This is my inhaler. It provides fast-acting relief of bronchial swelling due to asthma or allergies. One touch of the button and...
I'll do anything, I'll do whatever it takes to...
I am the chosen one. Somebody had to do it.
Nothing like saltwater soup. And I got sugar water for dessert. I'm going all out.
I keep a picture in my wallet like you. Thinking of my girlfriend, she's the only one I got.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Or, here's another idea that's going to be very controversial. You could shut the fuck up.
Around. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, and then I see the look in your eyes.
Turn around, bite eyes. Every now and then I fall apart.
And I need you now tonight, and I need you more than ever.
Now you listen here. If you don't fucking and whoppa with no boof, I swear to God I'm gonna throw you in the fucking trash.